I'm outside. Wait lang. Sino nga po mo? Mapakar. Yade. Hi, good morning, Rodrigo. How are you? I'm fine. Hi. Oh my God. Thank you so much, Rodrigo, for joining here again. God bless you. Yahoo! Ingay. Malis mo ingay. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you so much. Beep, beep, like. Okay, so thank you, Rodrigo. Wow, oh my God. Can you hit the likes? Thank you. Kain ko ba gatas? Bawitan mo, bawi. Yung baso mo kain mo. Kakain na. Yung baso mo. Yung baso mo. Don't forget to like, friends. Okay, please. Thank you for the like. You only like here, Rodrigo. Thank you for here. We'll talk later. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Talk to you later. Kita udah na lang kalaga ng sinilisa ni DPP. Thank you for watching. 2, 10, 74. Ihatag mo kang papayan. Thank you for watching.
Ang linaga.
Yan kang papay. Ano, kumusta papay? Ano, kumusta ka na? Ano, nagubo ka pa? Nagubo pa. Sipon. Hatag mo kang, sabi ko bagay, hatag mo kang papay. Hindi ka nababati ha. Bakit hindi ka maalis sa isip ko? Ikaw ang lagi ganyan itong puso. Nalipasan yung gutom. Bye-bye. Hika na. Hika. What it means PCB? What PCB? What PBB? PWB? Where is that? Wrong send? Wrong, maybe the wrong channel to join. Maybe you are in the other channel and you're wrong. Ano. I don't know PCB. What PCB means? I only heard that. I only read that here. PCB. What PCB means? It's not for me. Okay. I'm in Philippines. I'm from US. Any girl interested to meet me? How they interested for with you? They don't know you. Oh, okay. It's for Rodrigo. Hi, Olden Life 50. Hello, Paul. Good morning. Good evening to you. Hello, good morning. Thank you. Have a nice day. Kahit pilitin kong dalaman ay ako, ikaw pa din. Thank you for joining. Hope you have a great day and wonderful weekend. Thank you. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Hope, hope you hope you have a great day and wonderful weekend. Thank you, Bob. Hello, good morning, Golden. Morning food. Morning food.
pa lang ako.
Ay, di pag mo pag nagubo ka pa, kaya na ano ko kudat? Nag-tabi siya, ubit-ubit diyawa. Kaya na ano, si Mama mo ako nag-ubit dati. Ang pa-kupilsa ha.
Morning. Thank you so much for 7 likes. 7 people here. Thank you for the likes. Thank you, Golden, for the likes.
Anak, 3 things sa totoo. Para natin natin.
Thank you to those who sending the cards. Thank you so much. Baby, why you just make me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little. Thirteen people. Thank you for watching.
Ako yan, mag-aalit.
Bakit hindi ka mali sa isip ko? Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Maging ikaw naman itong puso ko. Morning food. Ang tagal. Oh, what the thing. Word that makes you happy. Thank you, 15 people. Thank you so much. Kahit pilitin kong daming magbago, ikaw pa rin ang hinahanap. Dami siya, Lord. Hanggang ngayon.
Alam ko na silang bed mo.
Hit the like, guys. Sapat na sa akin ang nalalaman ko'y sapat na sa akin. Hi. Oh. Thank you for the likes. Sapat na sa akin. Good morning, beautiful. Hi, Kustat. Welcome back again.
Bakit magpapagod ka na lang? Ay, di mo.
Level 10. Sabi ko, daw yun sa nila po.
Hi, Antonio Buenoy Linda. Follow what it means. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for 21 people. Sikat na sa akin ang malalaman ko. Hi, Miss Lovely Lady. Hi, Royal Flores. Hello.
May tubig ka doon? Ay, ito. Ang tubig na inatag niya nga ito.
May biyawas. Nakikita ko sapat na sa akin. Kape tayo. Thank you, kape. Let's coffee. Let's drink coffee. English, right? English sapat na sa akin. Alright, Flores, thank you. Sapat na sa akin. Good morning, Trika. Trikmandan. Good morning. Come on, guys. If she is so beautiful, then the whoops of your skin will like for her. Uh. Oh my god. Thank you for the likes, guys. Thank you so much. Sapat na sa akin ang nalalaman ko. I miss you today. Thank you. Think I'm done. Nalalaman ko. I miss you today. Lol. Pag-ibig na nakaranasan, kapilang at sa aking buhay ay tayong dalawa. Thank you for the likes. Pwede yung pag-ibig na mag-isa nang ikaw ay dumating. Lahat nagbago na, hindi dati ka. No, wala. Guys, 18 people only eat likes. It's okay, it's fine. No need to be pushy. Some just watching, some just passing by, some just and leave, some they're just watching, some and have beautiful eyes. Hi, Rinaldo Franco. Mm, 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 mm. You can still hit a like. Yes, thank you so much. You can still hit the like. Mm, 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 mm. Bakit hindi ka mali sa isip ko? Ikaw ang lagi nalaman ng puso ko. Kahit pilitin ko. Dagan, ano kasi? Dagan ng kwarta mo na kayo kapasin ko.
Dami yung mga ano.
hi to you all guys who don't check out your channel.
Lumilang ka. Victory kami na.
Second movie. It's not okay. He's not feeling good. He like asthma. He difficult to breathe. like something like that. Does he smoke before? He smoked before a long time, but he stopped years. He stopped by years. Okay, okay, Miss. Romaris, you this command. Hi. Oh, baby, why you just make me laugh? What else implications? Yaban gout, but he's starting the plan. He started a plan, but he coughed a lot. That's why, and he always coughing. And baby, you just make me in the middle. I'm losing. Liberty 2016. MPG converter office. Lalo ka gumaganda. Bakit kaya? Kunyari. Thank you, Royal Flores. Baby, why you just leave me in the middle? I'm losing my mind. Nickelodeon. Little. What is in the Cold War? What's the weather? Cold War? I don't know. My mind is not working now. Oh my gosh. psycho. What is Wizard Maya's Somalia with a bag play? My God, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? My gosh. Set a psycho, let her be psycho, let her dance. Kung hindi mo kayang hitaan.
Tana pa. Ubus na.
Let her be psycho, let her be psycho.
Bumibili ka. Bumibili ka. Ako lang nagpapatikaw.
What you gonna do today? I don't know what I'm doing today because my father is still coughing. Can't work, can't focus to work. Settle the bars, attorney, sit office killer. Your mom can take care of him. It's her job. Yeah, that's why. Different. My mom different. I know what. It's different. It is. Time goes. Yes, I'm from Philippines. Judy Damons. I'm sure she can handle taking care of him. She can't handle. She can. Morning, Belly Greg. I guess I'm from South Africa. Nice to meet you from South Africa, Jody Damons. Hi, Belly Greg, Lyron, thank you for joining. Salamat sa pagpunta. What month is American history? I don't know. I'm not an American, Roman act normal. A little bit psycho, a little bit psycho. Your English is very decent. Actually, where did you learn? I learned. I just I don't know. I just reading books. I educate myself. I just happened. Just happened. Judy, why all capitals? All capital means you're yelling. Yelling? Oh really? Yelling? When capital? That's a little bit psycho, a little bit psycho. Da, 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 da. Yelling. Oh, really? Jody, we see your messages. Jody. La, 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 la. No. Oh, it's me. My bad, sorry. No, you're not. It's fine. Maybe just a mistake. I think nothing's wrong. I don't know. Happy birthday, Main! Main! Happy birthday, piraan na taon. Ay, wow. Happy birthday, Min. Min is just birthday today. No problem. No gift from me, man. Sorry. No money, no honey. I want yelling though, but I get your point. I get your point. I was not yelling though. Okay. I was not yelling though, but I get your point. Thank you, Jolly Diamonds. Paneret ko. But really, all caps do mean that the person is yelling. Oh, really? Wow. Marry me, beautiful. Joseph, where are you from? Omar Keski. Omar Keski. Hi. Hello. Serious? Serious? Wala pang makeup yan. Lalo na akong may makeup. Siyempre, so pretty. Talaga ba? Gabi naman. Sa camera lang yan maganda. Sa personal, hindi. You need some sleep. Bakit? She just woke up. Department of Correctional. What do I do? What? Oh my God. Roy, ask English. Don't take it to the heart. Okay, bro. Jolly Diamonds, thank you so much. How everyone morning? Hi, Golden. Everyone is fine. It's good. Me, I don't know how to others, but me, it's good. Okay. That a little bit psycho, a little bit psycho. Yeah, it's fine. How old are you? I'm 40 years old. 40. That's young. My mom is 50. Really? I'm like your auntie. Zero wrong mood, sorry. My mom, you call me auntie. 40 na super asim pa. Right. Got it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the likes, guys. When was your last vacation? Thank you for sending hearts. Thank you to those who sending the hearts. Thank you so much. Have you heard of the Beta Squad before? They from England? No, I don't know about that. Why? Do you play guitar, maybe? I want to learn, but it's really difficult to learn guitar for me. But I want to learn how to guitar. You with a guitar and sing, I'm sure I will have a heart attack. Nah, bro, not calm. I know what you mean, but she probably didn't take it lightly, just saying. Thank you, Judy Diamonds. Hello, Cheryl. Good morning. Mew. Hi, Mew. Sander Samramikon. Hindi kita kailangan dito. Sander Remukal. Mag-live ka din. Kasi galing-galing mo. Perfect kung ka. Good job. Ay, ayaw kong pupunta dito yung mga perfectong tao. Mapapahiya lang. Nakakahiya lang sa inyo. Punta kayo dun sa mga, mga genius. Wow. Dito. Oh my God.
Ano ba pala ganda ni Ino?
Sure, who you talking to? When someone put Hayden, he say bad words to me. A daughter na. You know what? Sander Remukal. Pag mga ganyan mga tao kayo, mga perfectong tao, huwag kayong pupunta dito. Scroll down. Punta kayo dun sa mga magaganda, talaga, magagaling. Kasi hindi naman punta kayo dun sa hindi naman magaling, tapos hindi na nga magaling, ganyan pa sabihin nyo, sorry masyado kang sorry sa iyo. Nangyayang naman ako Sander Remukal. Siguro ang perfecto mong tao. Sorry pumunta ka dito. But thank you, nakatulong din. Kaso, ayan, sorry tinanggal kita dito kasi ayaw ko yung na-stress ako kasi I don't like toxic people here. Sorry. Bro, calm down. Why are you so forward? Don't waste your time on that person. That's why I want all English here. They can't hear you. Bro, what's wrong with you? Hi, Jody Damon. Someone comment here a bad word to me. That's why he or she disagree my personality. They don't know me, so if they are a good one or perfect one, they don't need to join here. They need to find another channel that good to match with them personality or their level of their ability. Judy, mind your what's up, bro?
Ano, sabi pa na maglato na. At napuyat ka sa calling game.
Wallahi, she is. Wallahi, she is. That's why I had his comment. I don't know what is said.
Isa to, musod na nakalabot na.
Oh my God. Good morning. Bro, it's just vibes. Good morning, Simon. Good morning, Simon Wards. Simon Wards. Simon Wards. Hi. Hello. Thank you for joining. How are you? Bro, it's just vibes. Calm down. Don't come at me. Have patience. Thank you, Simon, for joining. Where are you from? Hola, mi amor. ¿Cómo estás? Mr. Omar Rodriguez. Hi. Just stop guessing me for what I said.
Unik Philippines lang kaya.
What?
Parang magkakaroon na.
Bro, I'm not like that. I'm just how you say it. Yeah. Maybe you need United Kingdom. Hi, Simon from United Kingdom.
Ayaw, ayaw.
Maybe you need to be sensitive because not all people like you. Like it's Judy Damon. He's also a man. He know how to respect his girlfriend or his partner or even his mom. The way he talk, the way you talk to others, or maybe even to other men or your partner in life. Maybe he don't understand. Maybe he wants you to watch your words or to how to say to other woman something like that. You need to be sensitive. Sensitive. Gracias. How are you? I'm fine, Simon. Oh my god. Maybe it's Judy Damon. He's a respectful man. That's why he act like this. Hi, Simon. I'm fine. How about you, Simon? How are you? Thank you for joining. Nestor Omar Rodriguez, gracias. Exler, mi hermosa mujer. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining. I need to end the live now because I need to do something here. So thank you guys for joining. And I do live. I do live next. What? What should I say? I do live again. Hope you join my live again. Hope you join to next. Lutang na ako. I don't know how to say. Oh my God. Hope you join next live. Thank you so much for joining. God bless you guys. See you. She No problem. Bye-bye. Why are you talking? Bye-bye. No problem. Actually take back what I said. Sorrow. Okay, I'm good. Thanks. Okay, bye-bye. Call me. Bye-bye. Love you all.